Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to upgrade your laptop's hard drive to a solid-state drive, which will significantly boost your laptop's performance. So let's get started. Part 1. Upgrading from HDD to SSD. First things first, we need to remove the old HDD from your laptop. Before we begin, make sure your laptop is turned off and unplugged from any power source. Now, locate the screws holding the back panel of your laptop and carefully unscrew them. Next, gently lift the back panel to expose the internal components. Carefully disconnect the HDD cable from the motherboard and remove the screws holding the HDD in place. Then slide out the HDD and set it aside safely. Now it's time to install the SSD. First, insert the SSD into the slot where the HDD was removed. Secure it with the screws and connect the data cable from the SSD to the motherboard. Finally, reattach the back panel and secure it with the screws. Part 2. Installing Windows on SSD. With the SSD installed, we're ready to install Windows. Insert a bootable USB drive with the Windows installation files into your laptop. Turn on your laptop and press the designated key to enter the BIOS. Change the boot order to prioritize booting from the USB drive. Save changes and exit the BIOS. Your laptop should now restart and boot from the USB drive. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Windows on the SSD. When prompted, select the SSD as the destination for the installation. Proceed with the installation, and once it's complete, your laptop will be running on an SSD with Windows installed. That's it. You've successfully upgraded your laptop's hard drive to an SSD and installed Windows. Enjoy the incredible speed and responsiveness of your new SSD. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.